On December 31st of 2025, the last day of this year, and on 1st of 2026 January, there is going to be full deployment of police force in all sensitive and necessary areas. Already we have taken precautionary measures in the form of checking the lodges, railway station, bus stand, sensitive places and crowded places. And beside that we have put up more than 20 checkposts in different parts of the city, largely on the areas where there is going to be huge movement of the vehicles and also of the crowd. And day before yesterday, we have conducted drug consumption tests for more than 1000 people, and we have got about 200 people turning positive, and 38 cases have been registered. And this checking of the drugs for consumption will continue regularly for next 4 to 5 days. And also today morning, since yesterday night, all our officers and men have taken the search of important rowdy sheeters, and also rowdy sheeters parade is going to be held today in each of the police stations separately, where they will be issued strict instructions and warned not to get into any antisocial or illegal activities, and not to settle their scores by the year end during the celebrations. And whoever is necessary to be sent to judicial custody or to be sent out of the jurisdiction in the form of externment, that will also be executed. And rowdy sheeters parade or picking them up, searching their houses will continue till this New Year celebrations are going to be concluded peacefully.